Hi everyone, it's Math with AUB day number 7 in connection of preparation and NET, ECAT and NTHP. Question number 1. Without wasting time, let's start. Question number 1 reads as determine the value of k such that the three lines are concurrent. We have given three lines. We have to prove that they are concurrent. They are meeting, intersecting at the same point. By orthodox method, its condition is given by A1, B1, C1. A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3 is equal to 0, where A1 equation first can be written as A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0, and the second linear equation in two variables is written as B2y plus C2 is equal to 0, and A3x plus B3y plus C3 is equal to 0. We have to put in that value. That's our A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. Let me give you another idea completely, the very simple one as well. Taking the two equations that have no unknown, they are 3x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0, 3x minus 14y plus 8 is equal to 0. X as coefficient same, just subtracting. We are going to have minus y plus 14y, 13y minus 5 minus 8 minus 13 is equal to 0. Solve for y, it is something like that, and y 13 over 13, value of y is 1. Put in any equation, put in simple one. There is 3, 4, 14 and 8, it's simple one, 3, 1 and minus 5. Simple one. 3x minus, instead of, okay, let me write equation complete. Put y is equal to 1, 3x minus y minus 1 minus 5 is equal to 0. Minus 6, shift on right hand side, 6. So x is equal to, so we have point of concurrency 2, 1, but we are not interested in that. We are asked to find value of k. All the three lines meet at the same point, they are concurrent at the same point. 2, 1 must satisfy this equation as well. 2, 1 must satisfy this equation as well. 2x plus ky minus 1 is equal to 0. Instead of x, put 1, put 2, sorry, instead of y, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 2 to the 4 plus k minus 1 is equal to 0. Plus 4 minus 1, 3. Shift on the right hand side, k is equal to minus 3. K is our minus 3 in that case. The value of k is minus 3. That we have to find by utilizing this. We have found out the value of k as well as the point of intersection as well within no time, within glimpse of blink of an eye. Question number 2. Another tremendous question in vectors. In two sort of questions are mostly asked when vectors are parallel, find the unknown. When vectors are perpendicular, find the unknown. I have selected the first one, parallel. Perpendicular is upcoming task. Perpendicular vectors are parallel. Suppose these are two. We have two vectors, A1i, A2j, A3k, and similarly B is B1i, B2j, B3k. When two vectors are parallel, their corresponding ratios are equal. Ratio I to I, J to J, and K to K are equal, like sine law. Like sine law. Even their reciprocals are equal. B1 over A1, B2 over A2, B3 over A3. So taking any ratio, you are going to you are going to find the value of unknown. We have 6i over 3i is equal to minus 8j over minus 2aj minus 2k over minus k. Either you want to take this, find a, either you can take these two to find a. I am taking the first one, simplifying. I have 2, there is 4 over a. And minus cancel, j cancel, 2 4 8. Solve for a, cross multiply type. A is 4 over 2, so a is 2 in that case. Even you take these two, you will get the same answer. Minus applying table of 2, it's 4 over a, and here is only 1. So a is equal to, in that, minus 2 over 1 is minus 2. Solve for a, 4 over 2 is equal to a. Similarly, a is also 2 in that case. There is 2. Either take these, either take this, you are going to get through. just mark my words, you must have the unknown. Whether to compare ij, ik or jk, unknown must be taken. Unknown must be taken. So that's question number 1 from FSC2, one tiny question present in our Sindh board. Humongous question. Whenever you are dealing iota, take these things in mind. Iota is equal to root minus 1. You are already familiar. Iota square is equal to minus 1. Iota cube means minus iota. Iota 4 means 1. All the powers of iota, whether they are negative or positive integers, they result in 1 minus 1 iota minus iota. 1 minus 1 iota minus iota. These are the results of iota having any natural number power. So we are familiar. Iota square is equal to minus 1. Iota square is equal to minus 1. Instead of minus 1, put iota square. 21 over 2. 2 cancelled out. I have iota power minus 21. To convert the exponent into positive, write in denominator I raised 21. Split in either iota square or iota 4. You are going to have something. I am breaking in iota 4. 4 times 5. 4 5 the 20. There is iota. 4 5 the 20. There is iota. So what remains? 1 raised 5 into iota. 1 over iota. I have already told you these tips as well. 1 over iota results in minus iota. Minus 1 over iota results in iota. So 1 over iota is equal to minus iota. Let me give you how. A good how. Instead of 1, I can write iota 4 divided by iota. It is equal to iota cube. Break iota cube into iota square into iota. Iota square is equal to minus 1 times iota. So whenever you are solving any question of iota, you should have iota square is equal to minus 1, iota cube is equal to minus iota, iota 4 is equal to 1, 1 over iota is equal to minus iota, minus 1 over iota is equal to positive iota, and all the integral powers of iota, whether positive or negative, results in these 4 letters. 1 minus 1 iota minus iota. It's my day number effort on day number 7 for you. It's all by itself. Next.